Hey guys, welcome to where I make the sausage. This is where I put everything together and send it out to you guys. And what I wanted to talk to you about today is this little something called power management. Let's adjust this just a little bit. It's a little high, I think. Let's take that down there. Hey, look, now I have a neck. Isn't that awesome? Okay, so I wanted to talk to you a little bit about something called power management. When the power goes out, people have a tendency to kind of freak out because we live our lives on these little devices. And what a lot of people don't know is that you can actually adjust the amount of power that this thing is using. So say you're in a bug out situation and you want this thing to keep working, but you want it to last for a really long time. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. It's really super simple. Don't run away. It's not technical at all. I'm going to show it to you. You'll be like, oh, wow, there's nothing to it, okay? So let's go ahead and break away and see what this looks like. So as you can see, the power is currently at 46% of battery life. We just open our phone. All right. And just like we would normally be using it, we've got 46% battery power. And all we have to do to adjust our power settings is hit those three little bars right there, and then hit the search field. And you want to search for power mode. I've already searched for it once on this phone, so I'm just going to click it. And then power mode is going to pop up right there. Some other stuff may pop up down here. You can see the little wheels turning, but none of that really matters. Just hit power mode. And then that screen's going to pop up. When that screen pops up, what you're going to want to do is, generically it's always optimized. What you want to do is you want to go to maximum power savings. You're going to click that, and it's going to tell me that's going to give me 17.5 hours and 12 minutes if I apply it. And basically what it's doing is it's going to shut down all the applications in the background that are not necessary. It's going to turn this thing into a flip phone, basically. It's completely reversible. I'm going to show you here in a second exactly how to do it. We're going to watch the little spinny things turn, and we're getting battery power back that is not going to be used over that period of time. All right, so now we basically have a flip phone. We can make phone calls, we can send messages, we can Google. We can do basically a lot of stuff that we were able to do before. The difference is that we don't have 7,000 applications running in the background. Okay, so now here's how we reverse the process, because clearly this is not how you're going to want to keep your phone the whole time. You've made it to wherever you're going to be, you want to turn your phone back to maximum power, you want to get back into the world. Well, all you have to do is hit settings, and then scroll this up, and then go to battery, and hit power mode, and then go back to optimized. And now it's going to turn all of those things right back on. But as you can see, it's basically now my phone's only got 4 hours and 30 minutes of power left. This is actually an older Android S8. So with your phone, the operating system may be slightly different, but generally this is how you get there, and your battery probably will last even longer than mine does. Now what I can tell you is that although we've returned the phone to its original appearance, some of those apps didn't start up right. So what I always recommend you doing is just holding down your power button, hitting restart, and restarting again, and restarting your phone. That way it's going to go, hey, all these apps need to turn back on. It will use a little bit of power, but overall, if your goal is to get back to that current state of the phone, then that's exactly what you'll need to do to make sure it works right. Okay, so as we saw, you can actually control the amount of power this thing is using. Just a little quick tidbit. I wanted to share it with you. That was my heater. It just shut off. Super awesome. And pass this on to your friends. Let them know that they can do this kind of stuff. These phones, they don't control us. We control them. All right, guys. Until the next time, stay safe. Have a great day. And no boop, because we're where they make the sausage. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.